Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be removing the front sway bar off my Camaro for a few reasons. One, obviously, weight savings. It's 12 pounds, supposedly, not that much, not going to save a lot, but right off the nose would be a little nice knowing that the car is more heavy in the front, obviously because the motor's there. Two, supposedly it's going to give the front suspension more travel without going to a coilover setup. That's going to be huge for me because I don't want to buy coilovers for the car just yet. But I've read a few instances online where people's 60-foots got a tenth or more better just by removing the sway bar, which obviously you can't be taking a car that's ready for the drag strip through a road course anyway. So the front end is going to feel more loose. I am going to drive it on the street to the track. So hopefully it's not too bad, but if the benefit's at the track, I'm fine with it. So let's get into it. All right, so the sway bar end link nut is an 18, and I don't think there's any way to hold it on the other side. No. So let's see if this impact will take it off. If not, we got to take better measures. Right in there. All right, so the nut came right off of this one, which is a good sign. Now we just got to go do the same thing to the other side. Now hopping over to do the same thing on this side. All right, perfect. And these end links do just kind of push right out of the way. All right, now laying under the car, there should be these brackets here with these nuts. There's one on this side, one on that side, one on that side, one on that side. After you get those out of the way, the sway bar should come down. Here comes the fun part of trying to get to the other ones. I mean, all right, well, that one came out with pretty good ease. Let me see if I can do that same thing on the other side here, and then we could call it a removal. I don't like that though, but they're not on there with much torque, so it wouldn't be awful. Alright, well, came off just like that. Plan B, let's see what this can do without catching onto anything. Okay, wait, we're almost there. We are almost there already. There we go. All right, sway bar end link does not have to come off. And then, now that this side is done and out of the way, we are going to twist this one out of the way. Sick. All right, and that is how I just removed the front sway bar. That wasn't really that difficult. It was these four 13mm nuts and the two 18mm end links, and I did take off the 7mm screws for these plates here. But overall, not awful. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Honestly, that wasn't that bad to do. First time, I didn't have any experience. I didn't watch any videos. It took me maybe half an hour or so, but I already had the under panels off the car. So obviously that would take probably maybe 15 minutes. So under an hour could save you a few tenths at the track, hopefully. Obviously, again, it's the 2 days before Thanksgiving here in Ohio. Tracks are closed. This car doesn't see rain, salt, anything normally. So I'm not going to be able to do any real world testing until next April. So I'm getting this video out here with no scientific evidence saying that I actually went faster. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.